Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the do's and don'ts of home organization to help you keep your living space clutter-free and well-organized. Remember, tidying is not just about having a picture-perfect home, it's about creating a space that sparks joy and tranquility. So let's embark on this journey together and transform your home into a haven of peace and order. Before we open drawers or tackle shelves, we must pause and reflect. Envision your ideal living space. What brings you joy in each room? Now let's translate this vision into a plan. Walk around your home and jot down areas needing attention. Often, in our eagerness to organize, we rush to buy storage solutions. But hold on, this can lead to a home filled with containers, yet lacking true order. Remember, our goal is to surround ourselves with items that spark joy. So, before you even consider storage, let's embark on the beautiful journey of decluttering. Hold each item in your hands and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If the answer is no, thank the item and let it go with gratitude. Now that we've mindfully decluttered, let's bring order by grouping similar items together. Imagine instantly finding your favorite pen or locating those cozy winter gloves. Categorization unlocks effortless organization. Gather like books with books, stationery with stationery. This creates harmony and lets us appreciate the items we keep. Chapter 4. Choosing joy over obligation. We often hold on to items out of guilt or obligation. Maybe it was a gift we never used, or clothes that no longer fit. Approach these items with gratitude. Donate them, pass them on, and free yourself from guilt. Chapter 5. Reaching new heights. Embracing vertical storage solutions. Our homes are filled with untapped vertical space waiting to be maximized. Shelves display cherished items, and vertical organizers maintain order. Use wall-mounted shelves for books and decor. Embracing verticality maximizes space and creates visual lightness. Chapter 6. The art of breathing room. Resisting the urge to overfill. It's tempting to cram every nook and cranny with belongings, but this can lead to visual clutter and make it difficult to find what we need. Just as we need space to breathe, so do our belongings. Leave a little breathing room between items, allowing them to stand out and be easily accessible. Create a sense of visual calm and order. Chapter 7. Labels are like little signposts, guiding us and others to the designated homes for our belongings. They bring a sense of clarity and order, ensuring that everything has its rightful place. Use clear and concise labels on containers, drawers, and shelves. Not only will this make it easier to find what you need, but it will also encourage everyone in the household to maintain the organization system. Chapter 8. The ongoing journey. Embracing maintenance as a ritual. Creating an organized home is not a one-time event, it's an ongoing journey. Just like tending to a garden, our organizational systems need regular maintenance to thrive. Set aside a few minutes each day or week to tidy up, put things back in their designated places, and reassess your systems. This regular maintenance will prevent clutter from accumulating and ensure that your home remains a haven of peace and order. Chapter 9. Little habits, big impact. Cultivating daily rituals for organization. Just as small acts of kindness can brighten someone's day, incorporating little habits into our daily routines can make a world of difference in maintaining an organized home. Make your bed each morning, put away dishes after each meal, and spend a few minutes before bed tidying up any clutter. These small, mindful acts will become second nature and prevent clutter from taking root. Chapter 10. Conquering procrastination. Taking action and embracing the transformative power of tidying. Procrastination is a clutter magnet. The longer we put off organizing tasks, the more daunting they become. Instead of letting clutter accumulate and steal our peace, let's tackle those tasks head-on. Set aside dedicated time for organizing, even if it's just 15 minutes a day. Remember, even small steps toward tidying can lead to significant transformations in our homes and our lives. Outro. Your journey to an organized and joyful home begins now. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home organization advice. Remember, Creating a well-organized home is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process with joy and intention, and watch as your space transforms into a reflection of peace, order, and the things that spark joy in your life.